In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the RocketReach Chrome extension. By the end, you'll have the extension added to your browser and ready to use, all in just a couple of minutes. First, open Google Chrome. We'll be getting the extension from the official Chrome web store, which is the safest place to install Chrome add-ons. In the address bar at the top, type Chrome Web Store, then open the result from Google's site. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the familiar Chrome Web Store layout with a search bar on the left and categories across the page. Next, use the search bar and type RocketReach Chrome extension. You should see a listing named RocketReach appear in the results. Click it to open the extensions page. This page shows details like the publisher, user reviews, and the number of users. It's a good idea to glance at these to make sure you're installing the genuine extension and not a lookalike. You'll also see a brief description of what the extension does and a list of permissions it needs. Reviewing permissions is always a smart habit, so you know how the tool interacts with your browser. When you're ready, click the Add to Chrome button on the right side of the page. Chrome will show a confirmation pop-up that summarizes what the extension can access. Click Add Extension to confirm. At this point, Chrome will download and install the extension for you automatically. You may see a brief progress indicator, and once it's done, a small confirmation message will appear near the top right corner of your browser. After installation, look for the RocketReach icon in your toolbar. If you don't immediately see it, click the puzzle piece icon, which opens your extensions menu. Find RocketReach in the list, and click the pin icon to keep it visible on your toolbar. Pinning helps you access it quickly whenever you need it. If you ever see a button that says Remove from Chrome instead of Add to Chrome, that simply means it's already installed. That's all it takes to install the RocketReach Chrome extension. If you're signed into Chrome, the extension will sync with your profile, which is helpful if you use multiple devices. And if you're on a work or school computer with restrictions, you might need admin permission to add extensions, so check with your administrator if you run into a block. Thanks for watching. Now that RocketReach is installed, you're set to use it whenever you browse with Chrome,